Well, this is Looking and Cooking with Mr. Al, and I'm continuing with the idea of doing an Indian style masala, but also similar to a Jamaican or Caribbean jerk style cooking. We're starting with this all-purpose seasoning that I like to use, and it does have a lot of good things in it. For example, it has paprika powder, ground black pepper, sugar, mustard, ground cumin, ground coriander, onion powder, garlic powder, celery powder, all good stuff. And means you go easy on the salt when you're going to add anything. So that's that. The next thing we're going to add is something called Portland jerk. Now, Portland jerk is an interesting one. It has all kinds of seasoning: pimento, scallion, garlic, onion, black pepper, chilies, Scotch bonnet, pepper and thyme, ginger. And I think it has some aromatics in because it's kind of quite spicy. Well, I mean spicy, not chili hot. Plenty of that goes on anyway. So what's the next thing we need? Well, I'm using straightforward jerk seasoning. And the ingredients for this kind of jerk seasoning include ground cayenne, pimento, ground oregano, ground black pepper, ground cinnamon. That's the aromatic one we're coming across, so let's put plenty of that on. But bearing in mind, it's got the cinnamon, go easy on it. There goes the pepper pot, but never mind. So I'm going to add something else to this to make it a bit different. I'm going to add chimichurri. Chimichurri is a herbal mixture which my niece Amy and her husband bought me, Steve, for Christmas, and it's been damn useful. Now, we're going to mix all this together. Mix all this together, make sure it's fully coated and rubbed. Then, as I've told you before, I like things to marinate. Pick up the spices. Oh, I think I'll add a bit of oil to this. Just make it a bit more sticky. Coconut oil in this case. There we go, pop it in the bag, ready for the fridge. We'll marinate overnight, cooking this tomorrow evening for a friend. So there we go. Pork chops from the Caribbean spices. A dry rub with a little bit of oil.